Corgis are very smart dogs. We are going to try to do a little session here. Okay, Bubs, let's sit here. Hey, Bubs, come here, Bubs. Here, Bubs, come here. Here, sit. All right, we're gonna try nose. Touch. Good boy. All right, sit. Sit. She doesn't want to sit. She's not gonna do it. Echo, you want to sit? Sit. Sit, Echo. These two don't want to sit. Bubba, touch. Good job. All right, this is the touch trick. You use one hand, and then, all right, come here, Bubs. Sit. Touch. Bubba, touch. Oh, you figured it out. Good girl. Touch. Good girl. All right, ready? Touch, touch. Good girl. Can we touch? Yeah, see? They learn it really fast. Touch, touch. Oh, she's learning it quick. Bubba, touch, touch. Drama, you're learning touch quick. Touch, touch. Oh, you did your nose too? Did you touch? Yeah. Good job, guys. Touch. Yeah, it's true.